The rain-affected or rain-ruined game in Leeds. Both these teams now just have 3 games before the start of the T20 World Cup. That kicks off swing and angle, so lots to look forward to this afternoon.
It's a good competition. Phil Salt will join his easy start. Shaheen Afridi.
He went for it as well, that full swinging ball. It did swing, but it was just slightly overpitched.
Yeah, no surprise whatsoever.
Roars from the crowd as Shaheen passes the bat for the first, and I'm sure it won't be the last time.
Of the bat, no real swing. Homework knows these two will come hard, more so Salt than Buttler.
Buttler off the mark straight away with a nice push through the offside, just using his timing rather than his power to get his innings underway.
To find the gap. Buttler always feels if...
There it is again. Fast, full, swinging in. Buttler does well.
Full yet again. No swing on this occasion.
That is powerfully struck by Phil Salt. Over cover, driving the ball on the up to...
He climbs into... Enjoys going aerial.
And Shaheen with that helpful breeze. Mohamed Amir will have to fight the breeze if he wants...
How do you think that conversation would have went between the two left-armers? Who's getting the wind?
Well, it's an inside edge just flashing past leg stump.
Yeah. This goes.
That's the outside edge. Big appeal from the crowd, but not much reaction from Azam Khan, or indeed the slip. And that's that angle doing for Buttler as it passes the outside edge again, 12 for none.
Movement off the pitch. Excellent skill.
Wide of mid-on. Again, not sweetly timed, but it's...
Clear the inner field. Just catches the inside half of the back.
Oh, word, that was honing in on the bottom of the base of middle stump. Just giving himself a touch of room there to try and create a little bit of width. The line was tight enough, but it was because... I'm not sure you'd miss the tell either, Owen, as a very keen poker player, aren't you?
Bowling lineup can be.
Another 4 down the ground again. This is a good over for England. It's the third.
Getting away, they're finding an effective way to keep.
25 for none, end of the third.
Last off is back. Edgbaston will host the show.
Up their intent, talking about the fact that they see 200 as Imad Wasim.
Get it!
Phil Salt up and over, wide of mid-on, but not wide enough. Huge cheers, greet the first wicket.
This is an excellent catch from Shaheen Afridi to roll. Pakistan strike first. The huge...
For England, number 85, Will Jack.
Excellent catch down at long on from Shaheen, and made good ground to his right and took a good diving grab. It's a longer... It's what he does. He tries to tuck the right-handers up. He's not a big spinner of the ball. He'll bowl in tight to around middle. And Will Jacks picks out cover. He's frustrated with himself. End of the fourth. A good one from Imad. England 27 for 1.
Fourth over.
And some spectacular fast bowling on show. Jofra Arch. Misfield. Just allows Buttler to take that single. That is a magnificent shot. That's the best of the day so far.
Can overhit the delivery. Holds his shot.
Goes leg side, doesn't quite get this as well, and it plugs at mid-wicket and just beats Shaheen.
Gets all the way through the shot, yet the shape.
Men are up there behind square on the offside, so this will be...
Is in T20 cricket, 44 for 1 in 5 overs, so 1 over left in. Down the pitch and drag leg side. Fielder should cut it off. Keep an eye on this Pakistan fielding. So far, so good. One misfield. Gives himself room, follows him. Umpire says that's okay. Both of them on line and on height.
It's 2020 against England in Manchester. And it's been a long time coming, and out of
captain. That was in the slot. A bit of width, and Jacks is too good to miss.
Get in!
Sliced away, flayed away behind square on the offside, and that will run away.
square on the offside.
Get it! Oi, Melbourne! Fakhar bhai!
Big shot, leg side. I reckon he's got most of that. He has. Way, way back.
Way into the crowd.
Buttler scoops. Trademark shot, 6. Wonderful batting, takes him to 50.
Terrific.
Talk about that. Bit hard, not placed quite well enough. A bit of a knee, and it's worked. Oh, that's incredible. What an amazing shot from England's captain. That has gone miles.
My word, that is a magnificent shot from Jos.
Incredible. Placed it, timed it, 4. Fabulous over for England. 20 from it, 130.
Over Shaheen, but not done that much different actually. Bowled it into the surface.
Inside the circle. Bairstow smokes it over extra cover. The first ball was spot on in terms of its length and its line, and that one just put it straight into Johnny Bairstow's arm.
Short side.
Tries to go in short to his body, and he's been flicked over the England dugout for 6.
With a flick of the wrists down over.
It's set for a baseball style whack. Didn't get all of it, but it's gone past the wicketkeeper Azam Khan, and it's gone for 4. So now, has he got enough of it to get it over the field? And no, straight into his hands. Shaheen Afridi celebrates mid-pitch. It's been expensive, but Bairstow to
21 off 18. Just looking out who's coming in. It's Harry Brook who...
Again and gone. Harry Brook comes and goes after 2 deliveries. Excellent bowling yet again from Imad. Only one on the leg side. Pulled away from Buttler and in the gap. Excellent shot. Sat back. Absolutely dealt with it. Team World Cup, Nas. Ball. And Buttler chips it over the top. That will bounce on. Goes pace off and long on circles. Takes a brilliant catch. In the context of the game, that is a
The World Cup, England's captain, played brilliantly for 84, 164.
low full toss. Straight to the man of long on. Mohammad Rizwan, circle. It's a beautiful catch. The Caribbean pre-Christmas. Selected here, and more important, sits deep again, and this should be a simple catch. It is a simple catch.
Jordan goes for 3, 169 for 7.
Short and put away from Archer. What a shot that is, the first delivery. This job for Archer. I asked him earlier. Hit away again. Archer stands and admires, and rightly so. That is a brilliant shot. Final ball. Excellent finish from Mohammad Amir. Brilliant 183 for 7.
Yeah, some very useful runs though from Archer there, 12 in just...
It will be Moeen Ali with...
Yeah, I think it's a decent score actually. Yeah, interesting to start with Moeen Ali.
Catch!
And he's gone! England draw first blood right away, and Rizwan goes for a duck.
For a duck, 0 for 1 Pakistan.
Batum fashion through the offside. Pakistan will pick up their first boundary, and it comes off the back.
Beautiful cover drive.
Away. And again, the chase is on for Jofra Archer, and he will just reel it back in. This one's again up in the air, another chance, and taken!
Bet on the biggest matches with our 100%.
Just away. And Moeen Ali with his outstretched hand. Another opportunity. Cheeky, and it works. He moved early.
Back of the ball, he's also developed some.
Fakhar Zaman denies that. It's a one bounce four to spoil the over. That is brilliant. Absolutely brilliant from Fakhar Zaman. This is some counter-attack from. He goes through the offside, and he also picks up a boundary.
Leads, but whether put paid to that, because keeper starts beautifully, like he'd never been away.
Well, a sight.
I think the crowd are chanting his name, and he's been planted back over his head. Right now, Jos Buttler, you're back in international cricket.
To combine performance with game pressure. That is correct.
Delivery to Fakhar. He's whipped him away leg side. That is a quite magnificent shot. In 4.
He steps.
And he tries to stop. That's gone all the way for 6. Well, this is a comeback over the job for Archer.
So for me, I would keep him in the.
Just past the diving captain, Jos Buttler.
Over for Jordan. Brilliant up until then. Just 5.
Big appeal given by Martin Saggers on the field.
From Tom. Outside off, impact is in line, and wickets is hitting.
2 from 26, 67 for 3.
Straight.
One big down the ground. Harry Brook is down at long on.
Of the game. Just catch it.
Tries to take him down. It's Chris Jordan. It's Chris Jordan who does not.
Brilliant bowling from Adil Rashid.
Oh. Not appealing for a.
Gets this one away just behind square and relieves.
Loses the pace, just opens up the angle, opens up the bat face.
And again, even better this time, slightly shorter from Chris Jordan. Meaty blow into the leg side, can't be. And a catch to extra cover. It's Moeen Ali. And
Order for Jofra Archer. A bit of a nothing shot in the end, was trying to get over.
Reece Iftikhar, who's got that quick bouncer with very little change. He bowled Moeen Ali out. Oh, that's a mighty blow. He's already hit one enormous 6 down the region. He goes straight, he doesn't like it, it should be out. It's Harry Brook.
45, a well played 45.
He's a very dangerous hitter, Imad Wasim. Strong shot down the ground, tries to split long off and long on and does so. Lovely use of the feet, balance, poise. That's tossed up, and Iftikhar goes down the ground and goes down the ground and a long way into the crowd.
Up and over, backward point, and third man, that'll go away for 4. Wide Yorker again, field set perfectly. Bairstow, not so perfect. Bairstow. And to rub salt into the room. 4 followed by a big hit.
Beautiful strike.
Now it's gone high. It's Jordan, it's the man they won under it.
Balls like this come down with snow on it.
He goes full, there's a man out there, and he takes the catch.
Didn't start as well as he would have liked, but is finishing extremely well.
Edged and gone for 4.
A Mohammad Amir, I think, will indicate in.
I don't think so, hitting into the wind.